Hello and welcome back, and welcome if this is your first time watching any of my videos. Today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to duplicate something along a path. A lot of times when you're duplicating something, go to edit, duplicate special, and it'll duplicate it, and you can duplicate it so it translates in the X. So I can say translate 1 over in the X, and I can say duplicate 12 of those, and as you can see it duplicated in the X and it created 12 of those. The problem comes when I want to duplicate that in a particular order or in a particular formation, and so a lot of times what you have to do is you have to duplicate it along something so that it'll follow that particular direction, and that's what we're doing today. So I'm going to move this over the path. I'm going to hit C to snap it to the path. So now when I move it, it stays on the path because I hit C. From there, I'm going to select the path, select the object. I'm going to go to Animation, Animate, Motion Path, Attach to Path. I'm going to hit that. I'm going to hit Starting and Endpoint. Endpoint is 30. I might make that, put a little bit more resolution on that, so 60, and everything else is fine. And I hit apply, and now it's attached to the curve. And so now as I scroll through the timeline, as you can see, it completely goes all the way around. Well, first I gotta extend the timeline, and then it'll go all the way around. And let me expand the timeline to what we see here is 60, so that means it completed 60 frames because I put the end time at 60. So I have to expand the timeline to 60, so I'm going to expand the timeline to 60. Now it goes all the way to the end. Okay. So from there, I go to Edit, Duplicate Special. I want to look at my settings. I want to make some instances. All right. The group can be the parent, that's fine. And I don't want to translate it anymore. And I don't want 12, I want 1. Alright, and then I hit apply. Now what you have here is a duplicate that was left behind from the previous animated version. But what's selected is not the animated version. So once you move it on the timeline, once I move it away on the timeline, I have to select the animated version again, and I'm gonna use the shortcut key Command Shift and D to duplicate special again, and I continue. Oh, sorry, I gotta select this again and then duplicate, and then I continue that way. Now there's a way to get better resolution, like if I wanted these a little bit closer, but that's not really what we're going to go through today, because then I would have to go into the graph editor, and then I would have to adjust it from there. And that's how you do it, and just keep on going all the way through. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a comment on the YouTube, and you can email me. My email should be up there in the suggestions for any other tutorials. Alright, talk to you guys later.